stage is recognized as formation of complex organic molecules. The various simple organic molecules that were formed by the grouping together of inorganic molecules, these simple organic molecules started coming together, combining with one another, resulting in the formation of complex organic molecules. For example, sugars combined with sugars to result in the formation of complex sugars, or what we call polysaccharides. Fatty acids combined with glycerol molecules to result in the formation of complex organic compounds that we call lipids. Amino acids combined with amino acids to form proteins. Nitrogen bases combined with sugars and phosphates to form nucleotides. Nucleotides combined among themselves to result in the formation of polynucleotides, or what we describe today as nucleic acids. So, formation of polysaccharides, formation of lipids, formation of proteins, formation of nucleotides, and ultimately formation of nucleic acids. All these happened with further cooling down of the earth. And in the next stage, we see the formation of what are known as coacervates. So, these various organic compounds, the various complex organic compounds, formed aggregates. And these aggregates had a colloidal nature, and they have been called as coacervates. These coacervates showed the capacity of taking in substances, from the surrounding water. All these changes in the origin of life are said to have occurred in the sea water. So from the surrounding water they start taking in various substances, resulting in an increase in size. So coacervates showed one property of increasing in size, which is said to have formed the prelude for one of the important characteristics of life, that is growth. Then they also started dividing into smaller units. And this particular property exhibited by coacervates is said to have formed the prelude for another important property of life, that is reproduction. So coacervates in a way showed the properties of growth and reproduction. So they were colloidal aggregates of various organic compounds, polysaccharides, lipids, proteins, nucleotides, nucleic acids, etc., showing the properties of growth and reproduction. And in the next stage there is formation of the primitive forms of life, which have been called as protobionts. So these coacervates, in the course of time, with further cooling of the earth, the coacervates developed a lipid protein membrane surrounding them, and this led to the formation of the first forms of life. These first forms of life have been called as protobionts or eubionts.